This is the Old Guy Network.
I'm the old guy and I'm back again because we have a bonus video for you. Just a quick clip. Jordan came over to my house with his girlfriend Tia, and they had a drone and he flew it around the trailer park for a little while. It was kind of cool. This is just a quick video of his drone. I'm going to show you more later on, but this is just kind of a tease. Take a look at this.
We are here with Jordan, and I didn't catch your name.
Tia.
Tia?
Yeah.
Jordan and Tia. Jordan, she's way too cute for you, man. She is way too cute for you. Oh my God, that thing's fast. All right, Jordan is going to do a flyby around the trailer, and there's no way I'm going to try to follow this thing. I wouldn't be able to. So we're going to let him do his thing, and then later on when the trailer is finished, he's going to come back and do it again, and we'll have a before and after. But I will show you some of his footage as soon as I can. All right, here's the drone. He's going to show me how fast this thing can go. Oh, we're going to be right in the sun. Where'd you go? Man. Yeah, go ahead. And it's gone. Man, that thing's quick.